Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to withdraw to debit card on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to select your location. So from this list, select your correct location. Once you do so, it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. And in case if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button. Once you have your account, click on the login button. And then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you do so, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you are logged into your account, you'll get to this home page. Now to withdraw into your debit card, all you have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner, and then this menu will open up. From this menu, click on this withdraw button. Then it will take you to this page. Now, on the left hand side where it says payment method, you'll have to add your payment method. Click on this link and then enter your debit card informations. Once you have done so, enter your withdrawal amount in this box. After that, click on this drop down where it says account number and then select your debit card account number. Once you do so, click on the withdraw button and the amount will be withdrawn into your debit card. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.